Hello and welcome back to 100% Info. In this video I will show you how to fix and what to do when your pattern lock is not recognized on Realme 11 Pro Plus. Let's begin! So as you can see, I kind of forgot my password. That's pretty lame, but what can I possibly do? And most importantly, what you can do. Unfortunately, there isn't actually a lot to do. You technically have the ability to reboot your device, but usually it's not the fault of the lock screen, it's fault of your faulty brain and the fact that you have forgotten your lock screen passwords, and in our case it's the pattern. What can we do? Well, there's only one thing we can do, and it's performing a factory reset. It's very important for me to say that performing a factory reset is very dangerous, and not because it won't help you, it will, because it will get rid of your password. Yeah, but also it will get rid of your applications, your videos, your images, your contacts, your messages, your music. Everything will be gone, including your password, yes, but also including all of your data. So if you have something important saved on your phone and you don't have it anywhere else, you don't have any kind of backup, kind of screwed up. If you tried to remember the password, try again, but if you fail, let's just begin with the video. First of all, we want to turn our phone off. You can do that by pressing and holding power button and volume down button. Once again. Oh, sorry, not the volume down button. That was my fault. Power button and volume up button. The volume down button will use later. And we want to simply scroll down and power off our device. When the logo disappears, this means our device is fully powered off. And now we want to turn it on, but do not press the power button only, because then you will just reboot your device. You want to press and hold the power button and the volume down button as well. Let's press and hold it. And let's keep pressing until we'll see their logo and a little recovery mode in the bottom left corner. It's very, very small, but it reads recovery mode. And now we want to wait for a couple of moments. We can of course let go of the power key. And 9 seconds now we should see recovery mode. And here it is. You can choose your touch screen, and you can use your touch screen to navigate. I'm going to use volume buttons and power button, so I will navigate down and go in English. And here we have a couple of settings. We have format data, reboot device and power off. Of course, for the purpose of the video, we are going to perform a factory reset. In other words, we want to format our data. Let's go with press OK. Now we have to input our verification code. This is pretty funny, but basically if you ever accidentally put your phone into recovery mode and accidentally choose the format data option, which on its own is very unlikely, in order here is another blockage of you accidentally resetting your phone. So now we have to input 2103. So 2103. Of course, on your device the code will be different every single time. And now let's hit format. They're now wiping all of our user data. A bit unfortunate, but sadly. And the data has been formatted. We can now hit OK, and now our phone will reboot itself, and we can wait until we see exactly this. It for me passed 2 minutes maybe. Of course for you it may take longer, it may take shorter, but this is the setup screen. We can go with an arrow and perform our setup. But we have a full tutorial on our channel on how to do that, so if you want to, you can always check it out. But for the purpose of this video, that's all for the video actually. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. Next time.